Okay, so qualifying. Qualifying went really well. Obviously we've now got the new side springy bits rather than it all being contained in just one rear pod. They've sort of extended where the springs go at the side, and happy days. See a link to another video, it'll explain that. Car seemed to be going well. Quite happy, to be honest. The first qualifying, 7th overall, 24 laps. Best 10. I think your best bet to get an accuracy of how you're doing is that average best 10 laps. We can all have a quick one lap, but it's about that consistency, I guess. So that's how I try to gauge how I'm doing. So my best 10 for Q1 was 11.69 was the average across those 10 laps. That's good. I'm really pleased with that. Q2, dead good. I was dead chuffed that I got another 24 laps, so that shows consistency. The car's handling all right, and the best 10 average dropped a little bit to 12.13. Driver error, could have got stuck in a bit of traffic here and there, but you know, I was maybe pulling over to let faster lads through. Couldn't say for sure because I don't film all the qualies, it'd be too much of a video. Q3, 23 laps, and this is where the wheels start to potentially fall off the wagon, but still reasonably consistent at 12.32. But I've lost almost a second in my consistency, and obviously that shows with my overall laps of only doing 23. Let's get into the finals then. You watch, have a look, we'll take it from there.
That Dave, I'm not reversing. I'm gonna win it tonight, I have a car and I'm picking that. I should leave the pit mat really. Sorry, red car. not sorry. So
just a complete disaster. I ended up only doing 21 laps. My average fastest 10 was actually a bit quicker than Q3. I did 12.19, so the issue was the 2 or 3 mistakes or snafus that I had were quite big ones. It allowed the entire field to come round. It didn't go well. I either finished in last place or second to last, something like. In fact, I was last. Handsome Rob beat me. Shout out to Rob. Take away some learnings. Still, the car felt good up until it's clearly deteriorated across the night. So I'm wondering whether or not the grip level is changing and I'm not learning and moving with that grip level. Whether or not something has changed with the car over the course of the night and I'm not doing enough checking. Now, I'll do some excuse making and a bit of justification here. So, the first 2 qualies I was really disciplined with putting the sauce on the tyres. So it went on basically as soon as I'd finished my marshalling, put sauce on straight away, then wiped it off at minimum, literally the start of the race before I was due to go on, it was wiped off. That's what I've been told. Part of me, the whole guru thing we did on the Saturday, that was one of the key learnings that I took away, so I'm really trying with that. And then in the final that went to Helena Hankart, because unfortunately I'm doing what we're supposed to be doing at car racing, which is, yes, it's nice to move forward, but I was having a laugh with the lads. We were chatting, we were having some banter, and I only noticed as the race before ours started that I hadn't sourced the tyres. What can I say? At the end of the day, I'd love my car and me to be really good, but at the sacrifice of having a good laugh with the lads, I'm afraid the laugh with the lads is always going to win out. Now, obviously, I'm going to grumble about not doing well, but I kind of think a bit of it was my own fault. Some learnings to take away. I think once I'd made a mistake, I started trying to push a bit too hard to recover that mistake, and that led to other mistakes. What I should have done was just take a deep breath and just drive consistently and hope that everybody else makes mistakes. But unfortunately, once you get into the B's, the level of driving is really good, so which is what you want. That's what you want. Something I am going to do, I was running a 40 on the back. If you remember me talking about grippiness of tyres, I'm running 40s on the back. I'm going to change that to a 37, although I've been advised to change it to a 35. It feels like a big jump, that, going from a 40 to a 35. I don't know if it is or not. Again, lack of experience there. I should really just believe what he's telling me and just do it. But I haven't got any 35s and I have got a 37. So rather than going by 35s, I'm just going to go with the 37 and see if we improve a bit with consistency, and tell the lads that I'm not going to have as much fun this time, but I'm going to make sure I source my tyres. But again, this is why we go. We're supposed to be having a laugh. As always, guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you're enjoying my attempt at doing the videos. If you are, for God's sake, leave a comment. Nobody's talking to me. I at least want to reply to somebody, even if it's that you're doing a crap job. Thank you very much for watching. Have a top week, guys. Bye. Let me switch this shit off.